That would be DAEDAE. You know, the one who said he's going to bust my window out and get up in that bitch, meaning rob me. Ain't nothing going to stop him. Refer to my video of this is what happens when I have to leave my apartment. But of course, someone has to be here at all times. He didn't know that when he said that there was someone here. And what has APD or anyone else done about that? Not a damn thing. That is on tape. Threatened to rob me and vandalism. Not a damn thing. tpimanagement, Baywatch Security, APD, with your selective security.